ओम यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहं शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। We have completed first 7 chapters of Vedanta Paribhasha. The first 6 chapters were about the Pramana. Then the 7th chapter was about the Vishaya. What was the krama of the Pramana?
प्रत्यक्ष अनुमान उपमान शब्द अर्थापत्ति अनुपलब्धि.
So you have to remember in the same sequence: Pratyaksha, Anumana, Upamana, Shabda, Arthapatti, Anupalabdhi. In particular, in some grantha they will say sixth pramana is not there, or on sixth pramana this is the resolution. So you should know what is sixth pramana. And then Vishaya. So 6 pramanas, that is pramana prakarana. Vishaya is prameya. Jiva brahma aikya. Tat padartha, tvam padartha, shodhita artha aikya. That is Jiva brahma aikya. And now we are seeing prayojanam. Tika, page number 210. Atha prayojana nirupanam pratijanite. Atha, now, atha means anantaryartham you can take after the first 7 chapters. Now, this is the concluding chapter. Prayojanam pratijanite, he does pratignyam karoti. Idanim prayojanam nirupyate, nirupyayene, nirupyate. Tika, yaj jnatam san. First moolam. Yadavagatam sat swavrittitaya ishyate tat prayojanam. This is a different kind of definition, but this is the definition given in Panchapadika. So he has used that. In Panchapadika, how it is said, Yad Ajnatam Jiva Brahma Ikyam Tad Vishaya. Yad Jnatam Tad Prayojanam. So here he says, Yad Avagatam Sat Swavrittitaya Ishyate Tad Prayojanam. That when which is known, I want it in myself. Swavritti. Swasmin vritti. Taya ishyate. It is desired in this way. That is called prayojana. See in Tika. Yaj jnatam sat mamedam syat iti swasambandhitaya ishyate. That when it is known, swasambandhitaya ishyate tad prayojanam. when it becomes known. So this is a general definition. Okay. The ghata, when it becomes known, avagatam sat, swavrittitaya ishyate. That swavritti means in Tika it is said, mama idam syat. So may ghata be mine, then ghata will become prayojanam. Swasambandhitaya. Ghata is my sambandhi. Then ghata is prayojanam. Anything can be prayojanam. So here he says further now. Tad vibhajati, taccha dvividham. This prayojanam is twofold. Mukhyam gaunam cha. What is mukhya prayojanam? Tatra sukha dukkha abhavo. Mukhyam prayojanam. Tayor dvayor madhye. Tatra means between them. But you take in this sukha dukkha bhavo, prayojanam you keep what you study in Vedanta Sara Grantha or in other Vedanta Grantha, Atyantika dukkha nivrittihi Paramananda Prapti. So that is the mukhya prayojanam. Sukha dukkha bhava means anything at the level of mind, it's abhava. Tad anyatara sadhanam gaunam prayojanam. Tad anyatara sadhanam. Tad anyatara means sukha dukkha abhava. Sukha abhava, dukkha abhava. Or this you can take it this way. Sukhancha dukkha bhavasya iti sukha dukkha bhavav. And anything which is a sadhana for either of these is called gauna prayojana. Any sadhana for sukham, any sadhana for dukkha bhava is gauna prayojana. Sukha is mukhya prayojana. Dukkha bhava is mukhya prayojana. Sadhanam for them is gauna prayojana. तयोः सुख दुःखाभावयोरन्यतरस्य सुखस्य दुःखाभावस्य वा साधनं सुखादि रूप प्रयोजन गुणत्वात् गौणम्. तयोः means sukha and dukkhabhavayoh, anyatarasya sukhasya, anything that is a means for sukham or means for dukkhabhava. So anything can be means for sukham, ghata pata ityadi. Anything can be means for dukkha bhava, like Agni right now in Shita Kala. Agni is dukkha bhava sadhanam. It is gauna prayojana. Sukhadi rupa prayojana gunatvat. It has the guna of sukhadi, sadhana, or it has dukkha bhava. Therefore, it is a gauna. Sukhasyapi dvaividyam aha. Sukham cha dvividham. Satishayam niratishayam chaiti. Sukham is also two types. Satishayam niratishayam. तत्र सातिशयम सुखम विषयानुषंग जनित अंतःकरण वृत्ति तारतम्य कृत आनंद लेशाविर्भाव विशेष. What is सातिशयम सुखम? विषय अनुषंग जनित. It is arising from Vishaya Sangha, Vishaya Anushanga Janita. Antakarana Vritti. It is Antakarana Vritti. In that vritti, there is taratamya, gradation. Taratamasya bhavo taratamyam. Taratamya krita ananda lesha. It is not ananda, it is ananda lesha, means amsha. Avirbhava vishesha. This is satishayam sukham. So that sukham which is arising from Vishaya Sangha, Vishaya Anushanga, and it is an Antakkarana Vritti, all what we call as Pratibimba Ananda. Pratibimba Ananda will be Vishaya Anushanga Janita, it will be Antakkarana Vritti, it will have Taratamya. Taratamya starting from Eko Manushya Anandaha all the way up to Brahmana Anandaha of Brahma. This is the Taratam. Taratamya doesn't mean somebody got 1 cup of tea and the other person got 2 cups of tea. That Taratamya is Laukika Buddhi Vishaya. Taratamya can go up to Brahma Loka Ananda. All of that is Lesha of the Mukhya Ananda, Bimba Ananda. Yat Saukhyam Buddhi Lesha Leshata Ime. Anybody remembers this shloka? No. Yat Saukhyam Buddhi Lesha Leshata Ime Shakradayo Nirvritaha Yat Chitte Nitaram Prashanta Kalane Labdha Munir Nirvritaha Yasmin Nitya Sukham Budhau Galitadihi. Where does this shloka come?
Manisha Panchakam.
Yasmin Nitya Sukham Budhau Galitadir Brahmaiva na Brahmavid Yah Kashchit Sasurendra Vandita Pado Nunam Manisha Mama. This is the shloka. So there it is given. Yat Saukhyam Buddhi, Saukhya Ambudhi, ocean, Sagara, Lesha, Leshata Ime, Shakradayo, Shakra, Indra. Indra Adi, they are happy with the Lesha of that Ananda Samudra. Nirvritaha, they are content, they are siddha with that much. And yat chitte nitaram prashanta kalane labdha munir nirvritaha. Muni gets the same ananda in his hridaya, in his buddhi. That is, so the Mukhya Ananda, Bimba Ananda's Lesha is available in all Devatas, Indradaya, Manushya, Gandharva, Deva Gandharva, all. Avirbhava Vishesha, Tika. Upalakshanam etat. This is Upalakshana, Sukha Dvaividya. Dukha Bhavopi Dvividaha. Yatkinchit Dukha Bhavo, Yavat Dukha Bhavashyati. Dukha Bhava is also 2 types. Yatkinchit Dukha Bhava, some problem is not there, you are happy. Yavat Dukha Bhava means all problems are not there, no Dukkham is there. Some Dukkham is not there, we are happy. All Dukkhams are not there, how happy we will be, that we should understand. Tatra samsara dashayam adyo mokshavasthayam dvitiya iti api bodhya. So samsara dashayam kinchit dukkha bhava. Mokshavasthayam yavat dukkha bhava. No sorrows. Iti api bodhyam. Vishaya. Vishaya anushanga. Vishaya taratamyat Vishayendriya sannikarsha जनित अंतःकरण वृत्ति तारतम्यम तत्कृत आनंदलेश आविर्भाव विशेष. विषय will have तारतम्य. This will be explained in Brahma Sutra, Chaturtha Sutra. This will come. Vishaya Taratamya, anybody who has greater Sukham, you should understand it is Punya Karma. And that Punya Karma Abhivyakti will happen through some nimitta. So they will use up their Punya Karma for some Vishaya Sanyoga, some Prarabdha Bhoga. That Vishaya Taratamya will be there. Vishaya Taratamya, Vishaya Indriya Sannikarsha Janita Antakarana Vritti Taratamya. So some Antakarana Vritti will be extremely sattvic and it will reflect the Ananda in that Vritti. Some will be Rajasic, some will be Tamasic, last for longer period, some will last for very short period. Sukham will have so much variety. And Vishaya Taratamya means to take example, Vishaya means one is objects, that is common. Simple thing we can understand. Vishaya Taratamya also can mean in Sattvic Vishaya also. Let us say Puja is a Vishaya, somebody will get Ananda in Puja, somebody will get Ananda in Bhagavad Darshan, somebody will get Ananda in some Parayanam, in Adhyanam, in understanding. When you understand something, there is so much joy. Things become so clear. This is all Vishaya only. So Vishaya Taratamyad, Vishaya Indriya Sannikarsha Janita, Antakarana Vritti will have Taratamyam. And then based on Tatkrita Ananda Lesha. Ananda Lesha because it is part of Bimba Ananda. It will become manifest. Manifestation is called Avirbhava Vishesha. तथा भूत वृत्त्या विषयावच्छिन्न अज्ञान निवृत्तौ तदवच्छिन्न आनंदस्यैव प्रतिबिंबनात् आनंद समुद्रस्य ब्रह्मणः आनंदलेश आविर्भाव विशेष इत्यर्थः. तथा भूत वृत्त्या, that अंतःकरण वृत्ति with तारतम्य arising from विषय इंद्रिय सन्निकर्ष, विषयावच्छिन्न अज्ञान निवृत्तौ, विषयावच्छिन्न अज्ञान when it is nivritta, विषयावच्छिन्न अज्ञान, any vishaya. So imagine it is very hot weather. You get water for bath, Ganga Jal, or you go to Ganga Ji. So Vishayavachinna Ajnana Nivritti. Vishaya is available now, Ajnana is gone. That Ajnana Nivrittau tad avachinna Ananda. That Ananda which expresses because of that. Anandasyaiva Pratibimbana. Ananda Pratibimba takes place. Chaitanya Pratibimba is there. Ananda Pratibimba takes place. When Ajnana Nivrittau. Anandasyaiva Pratibimbana. And then in that also there will be Priya Moda Pramoda. Some Vishaya, when you start thinking about it or you see it from far, then Priya, then Moda, then Pramoda. Pratibimbanat. आनंद समुद्रस्य ब्रह्मण आनंद लेश आविर्भाव विशेष इत्यर्थः। अत्र श्रुतिं प्रमाणयति, इन दैट ही गिव श्रुति प्रमाण। एतस्यैव इति means this vishaya can, you can do lot of chintanam on this, because our whole life is satishayam sukham, in the search of satishaya sukham, and by Bhagavan's kripa it is getting culminated in niratishaya sukha. एतस्यैव आनंदस्य अन्यानि भूतानि मात्राम उपजीवन्ति, बृहदारण्यक इत्यादि श्रुते है। एतस्यैव आनंदस्य, दिस आनंद ब्रह्म विच इज आनंद स्वरूप, अन्यानि भूतानि ऑल अदर बीइंग्स, मात्राम लेश उपजीवन्ति, दे sustain themselves by only matra, because ananda is what you need. So this is all satishayam sukham. Niratishayam sukham is brahma eva. Niratishayam sukham cha brahma eva. Anando brahmeti vyajanat. Anandadyeva khal vimani bhutani jayante. Anandena jatani jivanti. Anandam prayanti abhisamvishanti, etc. Vijnanam anandam brahma iti shrutehe. Vijnanam anandam brahma, the number they have given is not correct. Number should be 3, 9, 3, 9, 27, 7, I think. Check 3, 9, 27, 7. The other book also. Anybody is checking? Twenty-seven, 7, because 27th mantra has 7 shlokas in that. Is the last shloka of that.
9:28, Swamiji.
28 they have given. 28 has 7 shlokas.
Advaita.
Well, anyway, so you check there, it should be at the end of 3-9.
3928 Swamiji.
Only 28 or 28-7?
28 Swamiji.
No, that is not true. That should have multiple shlokas quoted. Let me check, I'll check.
Swamiji, it is, you're right, Swamiji, 39:28:7.
28-7.
Yes.
3928:7 जात एव न जायते कोन्वेनं जनयेत् पुनः विज्ञानमानन्दं ब्रह्म रातिर्धातुः परायणं तिष्ठमानस्य तद्विदः. This is the mantra. So Brahma is Ananda Swarupa. That is explained here. And Vijnana Swarupa also. Iti Shrutehe. Tika. Adipadena Esha Hyevananda Yati. Not Yati. Esha Hyevananda Yati. This Yati is Chandasa Prayoga. Vyakarana Drashtya, it will become Anandayati. But mantra says Anandayati. Esha Hyeva Anandayati. He alone delights. Eshaha Anandayati. Nijanta. Ityadya Shruti hi Upadeya. Shruti hi Upadeya. Dvitiyam Sukham Lakshayati. Niratishaya Sukham iti. Second Sukham is Niratishayam. Chakarat Satishaya Sukham api Anandatma Brahma Leshatmakatvat. Because of the Chakarat Satishaya Sukham api Anandatma Brahma Leshatmakatvat. Chakara, where is Chakara? Niratishayam Sukham Cha Brahma eva. So, what is Chakara saying? He says, Satishayam Sukham api Anandatma Brahma Leshatmakatvat. What is the meaning?
Atishay Sukham is also Brahmanandam.
Because it is Lesha of Brahmananda. And Niratishay Sukham is Brahmananda. So both are Brahma alone. Brahma eva ityartha. That Purna Viram, which is there after Leshatmakatvat and before Brahma eva, that Purna Viram you can cut. In Kailash book it is not there. Atrapi Shrutim Pramanayati Anando Brahmeti Vyajanatiti. Then what does it say in your book in Tika? Bhavatu, you should read it. Bhavatu Anandatmakam Brahma Prakriti kim ayatam ityashankya Ananda Rupa Brahma Vaptihi Samula Sarvanartha Nivrittisha Moksha Iti Avagato Mokshaha Samama Bhuyad Iti Swavrittitaya Ishyate Iti Tasya Prayojanatvam Ityaha. Bhavatu Anandatmakam Brahma. Purva Paksha says, okay, Brahma can be Ananda Swarupa. Prakriti kim ayatam. What is the use of it in the current context? What does it have to do with me? Kim ayatam ityashankya Ananda Rupa Brahma Avaptihi Samula Sarvanartha Nivrittisha Moksha. What is moksha? Ananda Rupa Brahma Avapti. Ananda Rupa Brahma Prapti. And Samula Sarvanartha Nivritti is moksha. Iti avagato mokshaha. So now, yad avagatam tat swavrittitaya ishyate. Swavrittitaya sa mama bhuyat. Moksho me bhuyat. This is called mumukshutvam. So in some books in Tattvabodha it is given moksho me bhuyad iti dridha ichha. Not only moksho me bhuyad iti ichha, it is dridha ichha. Because casual, I want moksha. That casual is not called mumukshutvam. Dridha ichha. अथवा it is man mumukshutvam. स मम भूयादिति स्ववृत्तितया इष्यते इति तस्य प्रयोजनत्वम् इत्याह. So that तस्य प्रयोजनत्वम्. आनंद इति आनंदात्मक ब्रह्मावाप्तिश्च मोक्षः शोक निवृत्तिश्च. आनंदात्मक ब्रह्म प्राप्ति is moksha and shoka nivritti is moksha. शोक शब्दः सकारण बंधपरः. शोक निवृत्ति when it is said sakarana bandha nivritti. In this way you should understand. Shoka Shabda is not only saying I should not grieve. Shoka means along with its karana, sakarana, bandha para, karanena saha, bandha para. Bandha means bandhana, ajnanam. So shoka nivritti means ajnana nivritti, which is the karanam for bandhana. That is shoka nivritti. Ubhayatra pramanam aha. There is pramanam. Keep yourself mute. Pramanam is given. Brahma Veda, Brahmaiva, two matras. Brahmaiva bhavati, tarati shokam atmavit. Both these quotations are given in Vedanta Sara also. They all are from here. Tarati shokam atmavit. Tarati shokam atmavit is 713, not 113. Ityadi shrutehe. So first Uddharanam talks about Anandatmaka Brahma Avapti. Second Uddharanam talks about Shoka Nivritti. Shoka Nivritti means Atmavid Shokam Tarati. We saw this Vakya in Arthapatti Pramana. Tarati Shokam Atmavid says what?
Its nivritti happens, that's why there is no shoka.
What is that?
Shoka is nitya.
That is for Jagat.
Shoka. Jagat.
Mityatva. To establish that
Jagat is mithya. If by jnanam shoka nivritti takes place, that is possible only if shoka is mithya. So that means all the shoka karanam, everything is mithya. Then only jnanena shoka nivritti can happen. Atma jnanena shoka nivritti. तरति अपनयति. Tarati means he removes the shoka. Adipadena brahmavedapnoti param. Then another shruti they have given. Tarati avidya. So brahmavid param apnoti. Param apnoti means brahmavid brahma apnoti. Brahmavid attains brahma. Tarati avidya. Avidyam ityadya shruti adeya. This is another shruti. We don't know from where. Tarati avidyam. तांत्रिक मत निराशाय आह. Now what is tantrika mata? न तो लोकांतर अवाप्ति ही. लोकांतरा वाप्ति ही. तज्जन्य वैषयिक आनंदो वा मोक्षः. लोकांतर प्राप्ति is not moksha. तज्जन्य वैषयिक आनंद is also not moksha. तज्जन्य means लोकांतर, or in that loka whatever vishayas are there, it will give some ananda. That is not moksha. Why? तस्य कृतकत्वेन अनित्यत्वे मुक्तस्य पुनरावृत्ति आपत्तेः. It is a kritaka moksha. Kritakatveena it will have anityatvam. Punaravritti will happen. I will have to come back. Tika. तस्याः स्वतः पुरुषार्थत्व अभावात् आह तज्जन्य. It is swatah, not purushartha, because lokantar prapti is by itself not purushartha. Once I get tasyaha means lokantar avaptehe. Lokantar prapti is not purushartha. Once I get it, I want sukham from those vishayas, tajanya vaishayika ananda. But it is a kritaka vastu. It is karmajanya. I go to some place, stay there for some time. After that, I have to go. Whether that place is within this world or some other world. Wherever I go, it is for short time. This sharira is short time. Any vishaya sansarga, short time. It will go away. Anityatvena, and that's why that is not mukti. If we consider that as mukti, then punaravritti will happen there. But moksha is nasa punaravartate. So if there is punaravritti, that is not moksha. Taya lokantar avaptya janya ityartha. Tajjanya means lokantar avaptya janya. Ubhayor mokshatva abhave hetumaha. What is the hetu? Both of them are not moksha because they are kritaka anitya. Ubhaya vida mokshasya kritakatvam anityatvam, and it will produce punaravritti. Nanu tvad abhimato moksha sadir anadirva. This moksha that you are proposing, suggesting, what you have understood, is it sadi or anadi? आद्ये कृतकत्वेन अनित्यत्वे मुक्तस्य पुनरावृत्ति लक्षणो दोषस्तुल्यः. If it is sadi, that moksha has beginning, then it will have punaravritti. Punaravritti lakshano doshah tulyah. And dvitiya shravanadi vaiyarthyam. Because if it is anadi, why you have to do shravanam? You are already mukta. Kritakena in Mandukya Karika, anybody remembers any Karikas about this moksha, Sadi, Anadi, Kritakatva? न कथंचित भविष्यति।
कृतकेनामृतो यस्य
हाँ,
कथं
कृतकेनामृतो यस्य भावो गच्छति मर्त्यताम्। कृतकेनामृतो यस्य भावो गच्छति मर्त्यताम्। Then स्वभावेनामृतं यस्य, स्वभाव
Swamiji, first
यस्य
line
भावो गच्छति
स्वभावेनाम
तत्त्वत्वं भावो। Then
स्वभावेनाम तो यस्य धर्म गच्छति मर्त्यतात् कृतकेनामृतस्तस्य कथं स्थास्यति जलम्.
this is in 4th chapter. 3rd chapter of dharma bhava shabda is there. And there is another shloka also. अनादेर अंतवत्वं च संसारस्य न सेत्स्यति अनंतता चादिमता मोक्षस्य न भविष्यति. Samsara, if you say it is anadi, but it is santa. Anader antavatvam cha samsarasya na setsyati, na siddhyati. Anantata chadimata mokshasya. Moksha is ananta, but it is adi. Anantata chadimata mokshasya na bhavishyati. So all these Mandukya is for all. Normally what happens is, in all Prakana Grantha, all Acharyas take what Bhagavan Bhashyakar has written. But in Gita Bhashya, in particular this Kshetra Kshetrajna Bhashya that is going on, Bhagavan Bhashyakar has taken what Gaudapada Acharya ji has said. So it is nice to see all Acharyas take from Bhagavan Bhashyakar this vichara. So द्वितीये श्रवणादि वैयर्थ्यम इति तांत्रिकः शंकते. Tantrika means this karma kandi. Nanu tvanmate. So from here we will see in the next session. Om Purnamataha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.